Okay, so it's just that layer of epithelial tissue across it. Now, there is a covering over the entire kidney that I ask you to take a sample of and look at. That's epithelial tissue as well, but it's called the peritoneum. Don't worry about that. Just this is the capsule. This outer layer right here is the cortex, or the renal cortex. Renal meaning kidney. So this is the renal cortex. This inner area, this inner layer, that's the renal medulla. Not to be confused with the medulla oblongata of the brain. This is the renal medulla.
The triangles.
This layer right here. Okay.
But they
Each
look like
one of
triangles,
these pyramid shapes, these are renal pyramids. Okay? So the renal pyramids make up the renal medulla. Okay.
So are you going to have them both numbered?
And we'll have a word bank.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, we're gonna have a word bank.
Yes. The nephrons are the parts of, well, the actual units of the kidney that produce the urine. Those are the nephrons. Okay, so this is just one nephron, but
The white stuff
yeah,
right there?
the juxtamedullary nephron. But there are billions of nephrons throughout the kidney. So this is just an enlarged one so that you can see where it would be. Okay. This is the renal pelvis, this open area. So as the nephrons are pumping out urine, they collect through these ducts into the renal pelvis. Okay. In the renal pelvis, it empties to the ureter.
Shit, I'm not recording.
This is not.
But I
the
am, and I just got
urethra.
that.
Oh, sorry.
The urethra is going to the outer part of the body. This is going to the bladder. So this is the ureter. And I know that at least half of you are going to get those two confused.
Not me.
Every time
Urethra, pee hole. That's all I just.
ureter
It is
comes
what it
out of
is.
the kidney. Okay, so this is the ureter. All right, the red is the renal artery. It's bringing blood to the kidney. And you can tell it's the artery because it's smaller diameter but thicker walls and red. Okay, so this is the renal artery. The blue one is larger diameter, thinner walls. This is the renal vein. It's taking blood back to the heart. Okay, so veins go to the heart, arteries come from the heart. This is the artery, this is the renal vein. This is the adrenal gland. You won't really need to know anything about the adrenal gland.
Okay.
Okay? Questions?